like, you mean the library. Library? These are difficult words. But anyhow, welcome back to my channel. It has been a while since I have done any kind of update on the little free library that I'm working on. So I finally managed to decide on the paint color and get the paint, and then I've been waiting for 1, time to do it, and 2, a nice sunny day. So we do have a nice sunny day today. So I'm going to attempt to paint this. I need to take the doors off, maybe do some more sanding, I don't know. And yeah. And I will probably have small children around with me. So the first step is to change into my painting shirt. We all need a painting shirt in our lives. Hello, Leah.
Hello. Do you see me?
I see you.
Yeah, I know.
And yeah, so no clue what I'm doing. Just that I need to paint it. I'll show you the paint that I bought. So we are currently in lockdown 6. I believe 6 in Melbourne, Australia, and that means that unless you have a ABN number or a trade card from like Bunnings, you can't go in. You have to like do online ordering and then click and collect. So what I did was I rang my local Bunnings, and together
I'm copying you, Mommy.
Are you?
Yeah.
And then the wonderful staff of Bunnings in Lilydale helped me out, and I have picked my paint, and I got paint. There's lots of people out there, like my husband hates painting, and I don't love it, but I really want to finish this project. The paint that I bought is British Paints, and the paint color is actually called Tranquil Retreat, which I thought was quite appropriate considering we're in lockdown and, you know, you're trying to live every day as if you're kind of in a tranquil retreat. Yeah. Good thing I left the vacuum out here because I like vacuumed it and dusted it and everything, and then I realized there were sections that I hadn't actually sanded. So my husband's like, just get a sanding block and use that. Well, I went into the shed, couldn't find any sanding blocks, but I did find that fella. This Ryobi little it's a multi-tool. I just saw it on the label. So it's a little Ryobi multi-tool, and I'm just kind of, I guess, roughing it up because it is like varnished or whatever the word is. I have no idea what I'm doing. So yeah, still more prep. Will it ever end? It's anybody's guess. In case you were wondering, I did just think before I 100% want to quit on this project, but hey, just keep sanding away, and we don't want to be perfect. I mean, I shouldn't even say I don't want to be perfect because it's like, yeah, but I mean, I think I do want to be perfect, but we'll just keep going. I need to drink more water and keep sanding it and then prop it up somehow, and then vacuum and then dust it again, and then hopefully I can paint today. I don't know, it's already taken ages just doing this part and haven't even done the other 2 doors. I've done one. Solidarity to other people out there who are making little free libraries and reusing what I have and doing stuff like this. So come on, If you've Googled like how to do little free library, that this is what you've got, then sorry about that. But you know, this is a real person doing a real job.
Mommy, what are you doing?
I am working on the little free library. I'm at the stage where I think I have like a photographic memory and that I'll just remember everything, like where the screws go, where everything's placed. But yeah, it's anybody's guess really.
I called it Daddy.
In the neighborhood.
Mommy, I'm painting.
And
What? What, Mommy?
it's still there.
Mom.
Can you get under it?
Mom. What do you need that for?
Okay.
What do you need that for?
Don't touch it.
I got it.
Ah!
I got it.
I was gonna get it out with the animal stencil.
Oh.
Hey, I found Lego.
Yeah, it's Liza.
Oh well, sorry, Mr. Animal Stencil, you lost your chance.
I'll get my animal thing.
Oh, there you go, Leah. I found it for you. Okay.
What do you found it? With the Lego. Got the Lego.
Thank you.
Get the Lego.
Thank you.
Please get the Lego.
Ethan said he went to bed at like
What
3:30.
did you get?
Yeah.
What time did you go to bed?
What are those called?
Did you say anything to him?
Mommy, what are those called?
Bye.
What are those called, Mommy? Mommy, what are those called?
Have you changed Leah?
Yeah.
Ah!
When he's done eating the food.
What could possibly go wrong? There we go. Wow. Ben just came out here and told me I have a paint sprayer under the house that he bought from me years ago that I never used. So I don't know if I'll be able to paint spray with that. I'll have to read the box. But guys, this could be an exciting development and also a terrifying prospect. You're wondering what's on the menu today? It's fish and veggies and I really want to have potatoes, but I'm not gonna have potatoes. I can't have potatoes. But that's kind of the juggle. It's kind of the juggle when you want to do projects and stuff and you kind of make the time for it, but then you always think of like the million other things you could do instead of or as well. And then it's just the reality that we can't do everything. So that's why I'm trying to sort of focus on doing this and just trying to not stress about what's done when and who does what. And but yeah, does anybody else sort of feel me with that, with the whole you want to do like everything, but then the reality is you just can't do everything? And then there's like the ideas of the things that you think you should do, the things that you have to do, the things that you want to do, and it's finding the balance. Are you trying to come over here with me? Yeah?
You push me, do you?
I think you should stand up and push to the chair and then come and sit down. Yeah.
Yeah, okay.
Good girl. Have you come out here to watch Mummy?
Yeah. I come out here to watch. It looks like the frame. There. That's raw feet.
Are you close enough now?
Yep. Now, I'm watching you.
All right. So, my husband reminded me that I have like a paint sprayer thing. He gave me like a lot of years ago, and even though I have decluttered probably 70% of stuff since 2014. I supposedly still have this sprayer. So come with me and let's discover together. The bikes are crazy because the children are responsible for the bikes. So they've packed them away and shoved these up here for some unknown reason. And I think the paint sprayer thing is in here, maybe? It's still sealed. So this is it. It's the Bosch. So here you go. This will be my like unboxing 10 years later. And that will be me, guys. That will be me. This will be glorious. So we're now officially cooking with gas. I dragged out our 2 IKEA stools that we use for when we're doing like renovating-ish type things. And my absolutely beautiful Beth is in the hammock wearing my hat. And I'd say you look absolutely fabulous. And I'm straight back under here to get my box that I keep all my painting stuff in. So I completely sanded. I've wiped it down with like a damp cloth. It's ready to paint. And then I've got to paint it. But I gotta look after the kids. I gotta look after the kids. So that is that my 4th video? That's my whatever number video for the little free library. But I will be back very soon with the next installment, which will be the painting. So I hope you enjoyed watching my video today, and I'll see you soon. I promise. I'll see you in the next video. And yeah, wherever you are, I hope you have beautiful sunshine like we have today. Bye, guys.
Yeah, don't take those. Can I go in there? Can I go in there? Yeah.
Hello.
Hi.